Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by your weekly to-do list? Welcome back to Notionism. In this video, we want to introduce the quick weekly planner Notion template. Your key to stress-free, productive weeks. Let's review this Notion free template together. With daily to-do lists, you can easily plan your day. With a clean and intuitive interface, you can effortlessly organize and prioritize your daily tasks and ensure nothing slips through the cracks, making your day-to-day planning a breeze. Set and track weekly goals for focus and achievement. This feature provides a structured way to define your objectives, whether they're professional milestones, personal achievements, or both. Record daily notes for thoughts and reflections. This feature not only helps you remember key details, but also fosters a habit of reflection, providing insights that contribute to personal and professional growth. Manage distractions with the bulk list. Designate a dedicated space for less critical but necessary items, preventing them from cluttering your primary to-do list. By efficiently handling distractions, you'll maintain focus on your priorities, ensuring a more productive and streamlined week. Date and status tracking made simple. See how easy it is to use the database functionality to set dates and track the status of your tasks. This feature provides a visual overview of your week, allowing you to prioritize effectively and make informed decisions about your time. Simplify your life, boost your productivity, and achieve goals with the quick weekly planner Notion template. Ready to transform your weekly planning? Download the quick weekly planner Notion template today. You can find the link in the description. I hope you enjoy this video and find it useful for your productivity. Check my channel to find out more about Notion and productivity.